Hi, this is my third video journal. The article that I picked this week is on the election of Giorgia Meloni. Um, she's a far-right candidate in Italy, and her party represents the first time since Mussolini that Italy has a far-right government in place. So this article essentially just covers a couple of different aspects about that. First, it covers a bit on who Giorgia Meloni is and what her positions are. Um, Essentially, very far right, typical far right positions, very anti-immigrant, some conspiracy theories based. But they also differentiate how she is different, or they differentiate her from other far right people. For example, there isn't a strong, according to the article, there isn't a lot of doubt about her party or her trying to undermine the democratic system in Italy. Um, so I found that interesting. There's a big concern that the article mentions that I've also was thinking that was also on my mind regarding how how her government coming into power can affect or will affect the EU's efforts in having solidarity against Russia. Um, Ms. Meloni has declared unwavering support for Ukraine, but she and her party have also shown a lot of admiration for Putin. So it'll be interesting to see how that happens. Another thing is how this will play in with Viktor Orban. Maybe they find an alliance amongst each other. But a really important thing that I found in the article is that it seems that Meloni's options to try to, she's naturally not pro EU. She's not necessarily a Eurosceptic as well, but she's definitely not a fan. But the article essentially highlighted some of the tools that the EU has to kind of make sure that certain reforms that were agreed upon under the Draghi government um, get implemented to receive their stimulus from the coronavirus stimulus package, their 200 billion euros. Um, so essentially, the money is essentially kind of a coercive way to get them in line to make sure that they don't fall too far away from Brussels. According to the article, the or not this article, to another article that I read, um, Maloney's government is not has is apparently is not opposed to implementing these reforms that were agreed under the Draghi government. Maybe not all of them, but it doesn't seem like she's gonna be putting up too much of a fight against Brussels in terms of that. But maybe in solidarity with something else. So yeah, that's my weekend journal. It's relevant to the EU inherently for the reasons that I was talking about. Have a good one.